The universe is saying, my lovely child, it's time for change and a fresh new start. An old chapter is ending and you have everything you need to create your dream life. Nothing can hold you back or keep you stuck, as you are quite literally unstoppable. Stay in your power, remain determined, and hold your vision. The greatest rewards are headed your way. Type yes if you agree. You deserve to fall in love with someone who is real, someone who braves your storms, someone who may not understand your silence but never gives up trying to figure you out anyway. Someone who won't suppress your spirit, rather meet you at the depths of your soul. Someone who sees how beautiful life is, especially with you in it. Someone who softly say good morning with a smile every single sunrise. You deserve to fall in love with someone who chooses you, someone who chooses only you. Type yes if you agree and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.